Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by lush green fields and tall mountains, there lived two brothers, Ali and Omar. They were known throughout the village for their strong bond of brotherhood. They shared everything: food, clothes, and even their dreams. Their parents had passed away when they were young, so they only had each other to rely on. One day, the village faced a terrible drought. The crops withered, the rivers dried up, and the people began to struggle. Ali and Omar decided to search for water in the nearby forest, hoping to find a spring or a well that could save their village. After hours of walking under the scorching sun, they came across a tall, majestic tree with wide green leaves. Beneath the tree, they found a small spring of fresh water. Overjoyed, they filled their jugs and decided to rest under the shade of the tree. As they sat down, the tree suddenly spoke. "Assalamu alaikum, brothers. I am the blessed tree, placed here by Allah to help those in need. You have shown great unity and love for one another, and that is why you have found me." Ali and Omar were amazed. The tree continued, "I will grant you a gift. Each of you may make one wish, and it will be fulfilled. But remember, true blessings come from sharing and caring for one another." Ali, being the older brother, said, "I wish for a never-ending supply of food and water for our village, so no one will ever go hungry or thirsty again." The tree rustled its leaves, and suddenly, the spring began to flow more abundantly, and the ground around it became fertile, ready to grow crops. Then it was Omar's turn. He thought for a moment and said, "I wish for my brother Ali to be blessed with happiness and good health for the rest of his life." The tree smiled, and a warm light surrounded Ali, filling him with energy and joy. The blessed tree said, "You have both shown the true meaning of brotherhood." Ali wished for the well-being of the entire village, and Omar wished for the happiness of his brother. This selflessness is what pleases Allah the most. Ali and Omar returned to their village as heroes. The drought ended and the village prospered. But more importantly, the brothers' bond grew even stronger. They continued to share everything, reminding everyone that true brotherhood means caring for others as much as you care for yourself. Moral of the story: brotherhood is one of the greatest blessings from Allah. When we care for others, share with them, and put their needs before our own, we not only strengthen our relationships, but also earn Allah's pleasure. Always remember, the best way to live is to live for others, just like Ali and Omar did.